Greeting others, a social story. It is friendly and polite to say hi or hello when we see someone. Hi. Hello. When greeting someone, make sure to smile and look the person in the eyes. Here is an example of a family smiling and waving hi to others. There are many words we can use to greet others. Hi, nice to see you, hey, good morning, hello. When someone greets me, it is polite to greet them back. Good morning. Good morning. We can say their name to get their attention. Hi, Sam. Greeting someone can make them feel happy. Good morning, Mom. Good morning, Timmy. Good job, and make sure to continue practicing at home.